Good afternoon, sir. This is my activity in SIA. My name is Angelo Ganyolongo from Block 3H. And first, we're gonna do, sir, go to Drive, some, and click HT Docs. Right click, show more, go to Open GitHub Bash here, and type com composer create project Laravel Laravel and semicolon, and type you want to name in your files and enter. Just wait lang po kasi matagal po ang pag-create ng file ng Laravel. Done na po. And then tapos right click this, show more, to ano, hindi pala, mali. Type, punta ka sa Visual Studio Code, and then tapos punta ka sa files and open folder, tapos balik ka din doon sa nag-create mo ng Laravel, application ng Laravel, and go some and htdocs, tapos yun, select folder, and dito na ang ating first application ng Laravel. Yun, sir, tapos na po, sir.